Good morning. Yes, still definitely morning. I feel really proud of myself because not only did I make it on stream, but I've been up since like 2 a.m. for some strange reason. So I definitely wanted to go back to bed. By the time it was time to go back to bed, it was time to start the day. Let me turn the music down somewhere. I have a lot of work to do when it comes to building out this app that we're launching, just because um, there's two apps that I'm launching at once, basically. So there's a consumer facing app, and there is like an internal, or not internal, but a business customer facing app. So both of those work in tandem. So they have shared data, which is a nice feature of Adalo. You can have shared databases um, amongst multiple apps. But what I'm going to be doing is I've mostly done the work I wanted to do for the I mostly did the work I need to do for the consumer app. There's a little bit of stuff I need to do, but mostly I'm done. But what I want to follow up with now is finishing off the store app. So I'm trying to get as much done as I can. I'm trying to really wrap this up like now, like this weekend possibly, depending on how things go. So, anyways, I have a meeting at 12, 12 o'clock. Yeah, it's 10:19 or 10:20 for me now. I have a meeting, so roughly hour and a half, I guess. Yeah. So I'm gonna just work. I'm gonna work off screen, and we will pray for the best with the streaming setup as well. Let me see if there's anything else I can close. Visual Studio Code doesn't need to be open right now. Say Notion don't even really need to be open right now. I have a lot of apps open. I have Figma and I have Figma open. I have the Moobert stuff. I have extra tabs I probably can close for now, just to save my computing power. Let me see. And I feel like my microphone is kind of low. I guess it's not. I'll turn it up a little bit because I feel like the music is overpowering it. Balance that out. But yeah, it's all good. So when it's time, I'll probably end the stream when it's time for me to start my meeting, because I highly doubt my I highly doubt my computer is going to be able to take the meeting on top of everything else that's going on. All right. Let's see. So basically what I'm building out right now, I have a Figma mock-up. I'm building out all the screens from a Figma mockup that I have. So what is this? This is a list of something. Orders. Okay. And one amazing thing, which has nothing to do with my actual app itself, is that I realized, or I was looking into, since I've been up since like 2 a.m., I was looking for bar stools, like bar height stools, because a lot of quote unquote bar stools, they're not bar height, they're counter height, which is a big difference. Just looking at it, I would say it's about a foot difference between my bar height and my counter height. But anyways, so I might be able to go get some bar stools today. That would be like incredible because again, until I get my whole desk set up, like moved over and stuff, um the only thing that I feel like is killing my productivity right now is like standing 24/7. Like, I don't mind standing, but standing 24/7 is a lot. Let's see. All right, so this is a list of orders. Now, when I have orders, I need to be able to filter these orders. By the store. Yeah, the admins need to be assigned to a store. So now this is yeah, admin needs to be assigned to a store. Are you an admin? Are you a shopper? This might not be the best way to do it, but this is the beauty of no code. Relationship to a store. A store can have multiple users. The user belongs to one store. No, I'm gonna do many to many because some store owners have multiple locations. And admins, multiple people from a location might have access. Let's do that. So then that way, this order filters by I think I need to refresh this. Oh, why doesn't the store... Okay, so my orders, the users, stores. Something is off about my data. Let's look at my users. Who is this? Oh, that was 2 months ago. All right, here's my admin account. Here, let's add me a new... Oh, wait. Beauty, go, dash, go. Oh, I gotta redo the API keys. Ooh-wee, ooh-wee. Another thing I'm probably going to end up looking into today, I need to look into Google certifications. I need to get AWS certified. Wait, why did I say AWS? I need to get Google Cloud certified. We already have an API key. Go to the credentials page. I feel like my frames are slow. Why's all this extra info on the screen? Hold on. That kind of helped. I had a whole bunch of extra stuff on the screen. Here's my key. Think. All right, so then I was making a new user. No. Records. And now my address. I am an admin. Carts and orders. It isn't showing the ability for me to assign a store. Here's stores. Go back. CTO Co. Save. I don't know why, for some reason, I have one relationship in my database that doesn't show up as an option when I create a new user. But I should be able to. Oh. Admin store. I can add them after the fact or something. All right. It might just be a little buggy. The store's name. Is equal to the logged in users something completely off about this. I wonder if I can. I wonder if I can I force the app cache to reload? I guess I don't need the app cache to reload. I just need a Dalo. Not a Dalo backend to reload. I'm dropping frames. Lurking. Thanks, Preacher. Happy Friday. I am doing pretty good. How are you? Which is it this account? Okay, how about this? Because the data is acting stupid. I'm gonna mock up the stuff from Figma because my computer is struggling right now. Oh, FaceTime. Hold on, let me mute my mic. All right, y'all, I'm back. I was missing the whole UFO conversation, but I see it says working on the camera app to detect UFOs. Oh, Preacher. Okay, Preacher already kind of chimed in. I just try to. I just try to wait and see what kind of factual information we have because realistically, I don't know. It could be stuff out there. It could not be stuff out there. But image recognition, that I like. Computer vision. We were just talking about computer vision stuff yesterday. Yeah, yesterday on the podcast. Even though it was a hacking with the homies week, not a train next week. um, but there was like some issues with a company called Cruise. Because they had an incident where someone got hit by an autonomous vehicle, self-driving or whatever, and part of the fallout from that, I think they laid off like 20 or 24% of their workforce or something like that recently. So we were just talking about like some self-driving vehicle type conversations yesterday. But like as far as UFOs, who knows? They definitely not trying to let us find out. I know that much. Oh, this week, the upcoming week for the MVP developer training, we have to do something. I have to teach something with the open AI integration in Adalo. So I'll probably be playing around with that this upcoming week on stream. How do I get rid of the padding around this? Advanced, edit styles, components. All right, I'm not gonna fight with that. I'm out of focus. What's in focus? Sandy P apps, camera app. Is that the original code or is that your code? Do you have to do some I'm assuming whatever model is being used isn't trained on UFO images, is it? Am I a robot because I actually kind of enjoy this AI, this AI streaming music sometimes. Does that make me a robot? I think so. Kind of feel like it. More. Ooh, this is so off track right now. Um, the I just thought about the fact that in Adalo, the OpenAI integration used to just mean chat integration, but OpenAI has gotten, at least ChatGPT has gotten newer features since I actually originally started working with Adalo. So now I'm wondering what all we can do with the OpenAI API in Adalo. Because instead of having to do something chat based, I could definitely do something more interesting. Um, it has me thinking about the fact that they have like some CV stuff, basically, kind of similar to what you're talking about with image detections. So are these the pictures that you're taking? Are those the pictures to train the model, or is that just the detection app, like the app that's supposed to use the model and and say which type of item it is? I don't know if you could use OpenAI specifically for that to search pics in a folder. Um, if you need to train a model, I would recommend that you use like a library, like it's a separate project. The actual model training. You could start with, let me see. Hold on, I'm gonna share my screen for a minute. Get a Python script. Yeah, you need a script. Um, Fast Fast AI has a really good library, and they have some CV stuff already set up, computer vision stuff already set up. So then you can just get the images that you need and train them that way. And yeah, you could use a folder in that case. Here I'm gonna share my screen. Let's hope I don't lose y'all, cause I'm dropping frames. Dropping frames. All right. Ooh, look at how that is kind of almost all blending in with each other. Okay, Fast AI. I'm gonna start at the course because they talk about the CV example at the very beginning. They have some code in the notebooks that are included. They have some code that'll help you um, train a specific model. And then the actual platform itself. Wait, I'm confusing myself. Where's the courses software? Here we go. Docs.fast.ai. Tutorials, computer vision intro. This script that they go through in this page is going to, it's a single label classification. They got a cat versus dogs one. But yeah, this is what you would need to do. Something I mean, you can take different approaches, but this should help for getting a script going. Thank you for the follow also. Code a lot of Perl and Java. Yeah, I noticed the Java, but it is an Android app, so that makes sense. Python is really nice though. I was not a big fan of Python. I absolutely hate Java. But I actually worked in Java for like 3 years straight. And when I first got started in back-end development, I took a Java boot camp. So I'm very experienced in Java, but it's not my favorite. But I really didn't like Python back in the day, but now I like Python. I've never really used Perl before. Became a fan of Python. Yeah, it grew on me. Honestly, the only thing I really didn't like about Python in the beginning was like why you want to tell me how to format my code. I already know how to format my code. You don't gotta tell me. Ooh, did I tell y'all that I know what computer I'm getting? I'm excited. I think I was talking about it yesterday, but I might not have said exactly what I was planning on getting. So we can have man, the stream game is about to come back. It's about to be so much better because I'm getting a new MacBook Pro. I'm getting the Pro. MacBook Pro with a Pro chip. I can't wait. I'm just waiting for it to be ordered. 4812. I can't wait though. And I can start actually making my videos. Oh Lord, cause this computer, I don't want to talk, I don't want to talk bad about my computer. My computer is really doing its best, but I'm pushing it to the limit. I feel like I'm about to be in a whole new world going to a M3 chip from an Intel. So yeah, this one, I really love this. We gonna get back to a lot more AI projects too. But yeah, so that's what I was thinking next week. Adalo open. Well, let's do Adalo. I think it's like help.adalo.com. Integrations. No, wait. It's not a custom collection. It's not under integrations. Might be under components. Marketplace components. Can I search this? Yeah. Hello. That's not working. Command K. Open AI. Oh, it's under custom actions. So it's basically a chat GPT action. Ooh, sentiment analysis, content moderation. Ooh, yeah. Yep, we doing this next week. We are doing this next week. Because I have to teach a lesson on that on Monday. No, not Monday, Thursday. Days of code. I'm trying to I'm trying to find the right screen to go back to. My brain just kind of like zoned out. I've been up since 2 a.m. y'all. So and I have this meeting at 12. So what, a little bit over half an hour. And then I decided, that's why I walked away while I was on the while I was on the call. I decided after, because I'm going to get off a stream probably when it's time for this meeting. And then I think in the afternoon, it's nice out. Like for December in Detroit, it's nice today. It's 43 degrees right now, and it's supposed to be a 53 today, and it's sunny, like super sunny, no clouds, no nothing. So I'm gonna go sit on my porch on my I always forget if it's a deck or a patio. I think it would be considered a deck, but I'm gonna go sit out on the porch in the back and work on my laptop. And see, I might actually let baby boy come outside and play outside on the porch. Cause we're not gonna get many more of these type of days. Simple. I have to put baby boy down for his nap because he has also been up since the crackety crack of dawn. All right, so then over here, this don't need to be that big. What's the middle? What sense is this? QR code. Wait, so when you click on here, a new feature? What's that? Modal, image gallery modal. Okay. Rectangle. I cannot. Uh, all right, it's almost time for me to start my meeting. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish up for today, but I should be back on Monday. Actually, I think I'm gonna stream tomorrow. I do need to get some work done, but I also want to put up my tree and stuff like that, do my decorations. So I might stream that tomorrow. But if not, then I'll definitely be back on Monday. Next week I will be doing a Dalo. Like I'm gonna work on an Adalo and OpenAI app integration. So that should be fun. From what I could see, there's a couple different things that we'll have access to. I just have to have an OpenAI API key, which I should already have a developer account and everything like that. So that is on my list of things to do. But I'm gonna go ahead and move on to my meetings.